leaves our auto pack. Charles Leclerc, driver of the day for Italy. ART. And it's going to be orange on the auto on top of that. Lewis, winning Mexico. And our auto is an orange for Carlos Sainz. Orange is out of 25. Five of 25 there for Carlos. Not too bad on the right here. I don't know, the edging was a little crappy, but not what it could be. And just a little mark here on the left. Sharp card overall. Jonathan, congrats. All right, and that leaves us our auto. Mancho. Pierre Gasly on the base. Carlos Sainz, ending it on a high note. Gold wave out of 50. And our auto looks to be a base for Roy Nissany. .262 out of 341 for Roy. Big time chip there. Congrats on that, Scott. And Carlos. .33 out of 50 for Carlos. And we got the little mark. Georges. I think 3 or 4 along with some Landos. I didn't stack them up very good. I apologize for that. A gold 70th, Danny Kvyat. Gold wave out of 50, Carlos Sainz. And an Nissany auto out of 341. That did not make the showcase. Showcase-wise, we have a solid gold Sebastian Vettel winning Singapore out of 50. Schumacher Future Stars out of 399, purple. A McLaren logo, gold out of 50. And Carlos Sainz, orange auto out of 25. Carlos, probably the big winner of the break. All right, well, if you don't want to hang on for the randoms, I appreciate all the bids.